bridge is up there, the topping off ceremony. And that sign. Today is 2 days before Thanksgiving. The hoisting is done. And now they're going to put a few more bolts in. And there's still one more section right there to go up. But the train is coming at 1:45. They have to have the tracks cleared. So that's the deal. 130-ton bridge with a 500-ton crane. And everything seems to be pretty cool right now. And there's the station over there. A lot of people around probably congratulating themselves on that work. So that's the scoop in Worcester.